Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Unlock Psychology with Shweta. वन मार्क क्वेश्चन के पार्ट 2 में आप सभी लोगों का बहुत बहुत स्वागत है. इससे पहले कि मैं आगे बढ़ूं, एज यूजुअल एक बहुत ही जेंटल और सॉफ्ट रिमाइंडर, मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिएगा. ओके, चलिए शुरू करते हैं आज का ये वीडियो विच इज रिगार्डिंग ऑल द वन मार्क क्वेश्चन विच यू कैन एक्सपेक्ट इन योर टर्म 1, हाफ ईयरलीज और एनुअल एग्जामिनेशंस. लेट्स बिगिन द वीडियो. सो हियर्स द क्वेश्चन. लास्ट टाइम हमने क्वेश्चन 14 पर छोड़ा था. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15 की तरफ बढ़ते हुए, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग पर्सन्स बेस्ट इलिस्ट्रेट द स्टर्नबर्ग्स कॉन्सेप्ट ऑफ प्रैक्टिकल इंटेलिजेंस. आपके पास ऑप्शन है रिया, अ स्कूल स्टूडेंट हु क्विकली रिकॉग्नाइज द करेक्ट आंसर टू मल्टीपल चॉइस टेस्ट क्वेश्चन. ऑप्शन नंबर 2, नित्या, अ क्लास 12 student who generate many creative research ideas. And option number 3, Bhavna, a newspaper reporter who has knack for making connection with very important people. Alright, moving on to the next question. Anirudh is a great at maths and interpersonal reasoning, but he seems to struggle with the verbal skills and abilities. Which theorist would support the idea that it is possible for a person to have a separate or multiple intelligence? Number 1, Charles Spearman. Number 2, Howard Gardner. Number 3, Alfred Binet and Noam Chomsky. Moving on to the next question, guys. The intelligent quotient IQ was proposed in 1912 by whom? Dash. You have to give me the right answer. Moving on to the next question. Mohita has an extensive vocabulary, is good in maths, deal well with the other people and excellent at solving logic puzzles. Siddharth knows a lot about nature, is a good tennis player and plays a harp in the orchestra. According to the Gardner's theory of multiple intelligence, who is more intelligent? Your options: Mohita, because she has a verbal and a maths ability; Mohita, because Siddharth's abilities don't demonstrate intelligence; Mohita, because she has more abilities than Siddharth. Neither, they are just differently talented. Moving on to your next question, guys. A dash shows that most people are average. In case of intelligence, most people have an IQ around. Your options are normal distribution, 10, normal distribution, 100, average distribution, 120. Moving on to the next question, guys, which is question number 20th for the day. Peter is not only in touch with his own feeling but understanding the feeling of others and get along well with almost everyone he meets. He may be high on which kind of intelligence? The options are emotional, social, linguistic, and interpersonal. Next question for the day, guys. Self-report is a form of a clinical observation involving which of the following? The options are: client measures their own galvanic skin responses. Number 2, client measures their own heart rate. Number 3, client observes their own behavior and record it. And the fourth one, client records their dreams. Moving on to the next question for you all. Many studies suggest that intelligence is affected by, the options are: number 1, primary genetic factors; number 2, primarily environmental factors; number 3, both genetic and environmental factor; and the fourth one, level of education. Moving on to the next question for you all, guys. Benny's IQ is 50. He works in a closely supervised setting assembling toys and has some problem expressing himself. Benny would be classified as having dash retardation. You have to tell me, as per the IQ range, what is going to be the level of Benny's retardation or deficiency, you can say it. Next question. Generating a single correct answer to an intelligent test question illustrates which type of thinking? The options are divergent thinking, the second option is convergent, third is creative, and the fourth one is analogy. Moving on to the next question, guys. Ipshita is well aware about her internal strength and limitation and uses the knowledge to effectively relate to others. According to Gardner, which kind of intelligence does she possess? You have to tell us the right type of intelligence that she had. Next question. Tarini is a diligent girl who knows commitment, persistent, and patience. All her behavior is goal directed. Such characteristics focuses on dash facet of integral intelligence. You have to tell me the right answer, guys. I can give you the options for that, which is cognitive capacity, entrepreneurial competencies, emotional competencies, and social competencies. Moving on to the next question. The ability to use past experiences creatively to solve the novel problem is dash intelligence. Next question for you all. A range of IQ of an individual with a mild deficiency shall be dash. You have to tell me the IQ range of a mild IQ or intellectual deficiency. Moving on to the next question, you have to name any one particular performance test. Next question for you all guys. According to the notion of contextual intelligence, dash implies as a factor for intelligence. Your next question, which model proposes interdependent functioning between the neurological system? And this is it for the day guys. Thank you so much for watching my video. मेरे चैनल को यूं ही देखते रहिए, अपना सपोर्ट इसी तरीके से देते रहिए. ऑल्सो गाइज आप मुझे मिल सकते हैं लाइव ऑन एवरी थर्सडे. आप मुझे मेरे इंस्टाग्राम पे भी फॉलो कर सकते हैं जो है @unlockpsychology. और ऑफ कोर्स प्लीज़ डू नॉट फॉरगेट टू सब्सक्राइब दिस पर्टिकुलर चैनल. एंड आई एम रियली वेरी थैंकफुल फॉर ऑल द काइंड सपोर्ट दैट you all are showering on me. So please do take care of yourself. I'll see you super soon. Bye bye.